Today's video is about gardening in hats, but it is also about so much more than that. You know how the space we live in affects our life? You probably heard how the clutter of your home contributes to the clutter in your mind and your overall nervous system. Free the space and invite the spirit in like the Zen tradition teaches us. And for a lot of us women, and some men as well, the main clutter we got is in our closets. You don't need to be a hoarder to accumulate too many old clothes that you do not wear anymore, that may be too out of fashion to be wanted by anyone, even a thrift store, and too good to be thrown into the garbage can. And hats. We buy a lot of hats that we wear a few times, then they just sit in the closet collecting dust. How about instead we build a pretty garden in a pretty hat and give it a second chance to shine in a whole new way? Old hats. Let's see if we can make them beautiful again. Hats are natural containers. You just have to turn them upside down. They let the air through easily, which means they will drain well, which is essential for the health of plants that we're going to put in here. Hats are a kind of delicate thing, and exposure to water, dirt, and sunlight is going to destroy them easily. But before these hats die completely, they'll be the star of the garden and the world's new wonder. When planning for your hat garden, keep in mind that its future placing determines the selection of plants that you are looking for to plant into the hat. The indoor placing naturally will require selection of indoor plants and a support stand that will keep water off your floor and furniture. For an outdoor placement, keep in mind how sunny or shady it's going to be there for your plants, and choose your plants appropriately, from marigolds for a full sun location to ferns for full shade. And by the way, isn't this piece of firewood a perfect stand for it? Looks like a blooming mushroom. PG&E cuts a lot of trees along the power lines into chunks and rounds and abandons them on the side of the roads. So here's your source of free natural artisan stands for the flower pots, and particularly for the flower hats. I hope this video inspires you to start clearing your closet and to start bringing more growing green blooming friends into your life. Hats off to creativity and care for the environment we all share.